So today we are gonna install Linux. Actually, no, it's just Linux. I know Ubuntu in particular. Let's get started. So first up, we're gonna get our hands on the USB stick. So you'll see that on the official Ubuntu website, ubuntu.com, they've already got a really detailed and step-by-step guide on how you can install a USB bootable stick for Linux. And it works on Windows, yeah, or any other operating system. It doesn't matter because you will be installing a new operating system into this anyway. So I will just walk you through this official process. So with a USB bootable Ubuntu style, you can install upgrade Ubuntu. You can also test out Ubuntu desktop without even touching your PC configuration. Yeah, so that means you won't be harming your Windows installation. Anywho, you can spare the details later on. For now, you need a 4 GB or larger USB device. Well, nowadays the minimum that you can find is 32 gigabytes and higher, so that won't be a problem. The one in my hand is about 16 gigabytes. It's Twin Mouse, and please note we are not sponsored by them for this video. It's just my own personal suggestion. So first up, you need to get Rufus, which is a USB driver that can, edit ISOs. Just go to download section, Rufus 3.15. There will be an ad. Just close it, and there we go. Close this tab. Next up, you need to use Ubuntu ISO file. So go to get Ubuntu for the official links. So here we go. You get to just select Ubuntu desktop, and you can select any version you want. You just need the ISO. So for now, we will just download the Ubuntu 2.04 ISO. Yes, it's being downloaded. But for now, I'm gonna spare the download because I already have it installed. For the next step, you have to launch Rufus and insert your stick. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Rufus is gonna ask for some permissions. Yeah. Now you just grab this magic stick, insert it. Make sure it's the right way up because USB-A ports don't. Alright. Make sure that you've got the correct USB stick loaded. Like my one, it's just the default name, Twin Mouse. It could be any other name that you're gonna name over here. You can just name it wherever you want. So I'm not gonna go to those parts yet. So the disk selection, you need to go select FreeDOS, and then you select it. And I already have an ISO here ready, so selected this. If you like to refer to the official documentation, then here we go. You just select FreeDOS. The default selections for partition scheme, MBR, target system, blah blah blah. Alright, my camera is just shaking for some weird reason. And if you're wondering why I'm not using a screen recorder for this, because I do have OBS installed, but I don't want to, I would like to provide a one-on-one experience, just as if I'm just a friend sitting right next to you. Yeah. So you just select the Ubuntu ISO file just like I showed you. So the volume label will be updated to this. The file system, you leave everything untouched and you start. Like the status is ready, click here. And you write in ISO image mode, yeah. And you just Well, you'll just need to get some additional files. So if you connect to the internet, they're just going to, and now they're going to warn you one last time that all the data on the device will be destroyed. But I will show you how you can get, like, you can repair the USB if you want to restore it back to its original state. Although, of course, note that you will not get your data back. You'll only get your old status back. So you just need to wait some time. Meanwhile, let's just check what's outside my window right now. A clear sky for today, it seems. Around the Burton's Pond area. Alright, let's go back and let's see what the status says. Oh, it's still copying files? No problem. Come on, just hurry up. Meanwhile, let's just talk about hand sanitizers. So I got this from Qatar Airways, and I got this from Air Canada, and I got this from Memorial University. I particularly like this one because the quantity is more, and also it looks, more sanitizer-like, more sanitizer-ish. If you've arrived here from Bangladesh, I would suggest that you buy one of these things, these multi-plug systems, or do you call them multi-sockets? So once again, I'm just letting you guys know that this video does not contain any endorsements or sponsorships. All the products and brands that I've shown here are just my own personal preferences. Please do not take them otherwise. Although it's not mandatory, I would like to know why you guys are interested in downloading Ubuntu. Whether it's for your studies or just your personal research, or you just want to test it out for fun. Let me know in the comments below, please. And thanks in advance for that like. And there we go, it's ready. Now you just close this and shut your computer down, or you can just restart it. Just restart it, and right before your device gets started up again, keep your hands on the boot key. For my laptop, the boot key is Escape and F9. See, it has paused the startup. Now you just need to go to the boot menu, F9. Now you select the Ubuntu. You select the USB. Like you should not be seeing these because I already had Ubuntu pre-installed. So you'll see just ignore everything else. Just look at the one that says USB hard drive and generic flash disk. Select that one. Now you click on Ubuntu. You'll see Ubuntu here. Press enter. And lo and behold, you've got a portable computer. Now we're just gonna take some time to check all the disks. By disks, it means the flash drive. So don't worry, it's not checking any optical disks because my laptop doesn't even have any optical disk drives. You can also press the Ctrl+C button to cancel all the file system checks in progress. Oh, and about the boot key, for my laptop it was escape. You need to refer to your PC or laptop manufacturer for the boot key. Also, for example, it could be any of the function keys. The most common boot menu keys are F9, F12, F7 or 6, and escape. Yeah, bingo. Now, since you're not installing Ubuntu, all you have to do is go to try Ubuntu. And there we go. Now, these are the preset softwares that they provided. I assume you already are familiar with how to use Ubuntu. It's just like Unix-based operating systems like a Macintosh, Mac OS. So you just open up the terminal. There we go. Please note that your system is currently running on this tiny USB drive, so that every time you shut this device down, it'll be a brand new computer. You see, it's just like a temporary workstation. Like you just plug this into any device, you get a brand new fresh PC full of, fully free of any junk or bloatware. So I would recommend this for accessing websites or web-based services for emergency purposes. So you can always carry this thing in your pockets. So you can plug it into any sort of a device that you find on your way. Oh right, you have to connect to the Wi-Fi. First things first, just in order to connect to the Wi-Fi, you just go here. Click here, select network, and then refresh, and there you go. Now I know what you're gonna do. You're either gonna go to YouTube or Facebook or Reddit or Wikipedia, or you're just gonna go to Google. Focus, focus. And there you have it, your portable personal computer that goes anywhere with you, anywhere you want. All you have to do is plug this thing in, and yeah, like every time, as soon as you turn this device off, all the files that you have just saved and all the modifications and customizations that you've done while you were running this operating system on your flash drive will be gone. Like not everything, everything will return back to its initial state, just the way it was. So you just power off, and goodbye. You just need to remove this, then you press good old enter, and that's it. Job done.